Hi students, let's learn today one new story. Story name is Dot. Let's learn now. So your story is here. She's a Dot. Dot had a pot of milk. Dot had a pot of milk. Dot had a hot pot of milk. Dot had a hot pot of milk. Dot had a big log. Dot had a big log. Dot sat on the log. Dot sat on the log. The log is in the fog. The log is in the fog. Dot sat on the log in the fog. Dot sat on the log in the fog. Dot had a dog. This Dot had a dog. Dot had a big dog. Dot had a big dog. The dog is in the fog. The dog is in the fog. Dot and the dog had a lot of fun in the fog. The Dot and the dog had lot of fun in the fog. So words we have used is in, on, dot, hot, not, lot, and, had, log, fog, dog, pot, sat, milk, of, the, hug, big, did, fun. And the words, some new words we can now read are got, lot, got, hawk, chalk, hop, nod, mop, mops, frog, cost, drop, loss, stop, from, Tom, Bob, Rob. If you like this story, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.